Hey, Andres Romero with E2E Financial, here to talk to owner dentists about their income. Let's start first with what I'm referring to in terms of your income. Your income as an owner is made up of two components: your W-2 income that comes from your payroll, and number two, from your distributions from your business. I'm going to focus on your W-2 income. In order to determine what your gross W-2 income should be, start with the following three things. Number one is how much do you need for your living expenses. Number two is look at the tax withholding that you should be doing. That's for federal taxes, state taxes, and local taxes if applicable. I'm a big fan of doing higher withholding so that you do not have to make quarterly tax payments. And number three is what is the retirement plan contributions that you're trying to make. Those are the three key components: your living expenses, tax withholding, and your retirement plan contributions that will help you arrive at what your W-2 income should be. If you'd like more help, reach out to us at E2E Financial. We can help you partner with a dental specific CPA if you don't have one, or partner with your existing dental specific CPA so that we can help as a team help you set up what your W-2 income should be so that you can be successful now and moving into the future. If you'd like more info, head over to our bio and click there to download a PDF to give you a quick overview of the income that we talk about. We look forward to helping you and hope you have a great day.